Hello, it's Laura with Laura's StampPad, and today I am here with this fabulous little elf who is going to share with us number 10. I'm so excited about that. We'll toss her aside so we can focus on the 12 days of Advent calendar that Stampin' Up! Has launched. I'm so excited about this, and we have unboxed so much amazing goodies between the stamp set that came with the kit, and then of course we have designer paper, ephemera packs, gold foil pieces, masks, baker's twine, gold gems, 2 sets of dies, and then these cutesy cutsies. Love them. Now number 10 is kind of small. What do we think it's going to be? I am like at a complete loss at this point. I voted ribbon for so many weeks, and then we finally got the baker's twine. So is it another kind of ribbon? Is it another set of embellishments? Is it some adhesive maybe? Maybe it's dimensionals. You know how much I love dimensionals, and I'm an overuser of those things too. This is also the first week that I did rip it a little bit, but that's okay. You can hardly tell. But see, I did rip it. Finally, week 10! Who would have thought it would have taken me that long? The reveal is more embellishments. These are like shaker card fabulousness. Can you see there's like flowers in there and hearts and sequins and gold pieces and pink pieces and light pink pieces and iridescent pieces. I've got to make some cutesy little girl cards that are like little princess cards. Wouldn't that be so cute? Oh, I'm loving it. I am loving it. And then add in some of these, so put this in the shaker card and then add like one of these and put like your greeting on there with like 3 little gems on this side. And maybe, oh, I don't know. Add that too. How adorable would that be? I can't wait to get all 12 of these so that I can start playing with all of these goodies. It is going to be so much fun, and I can't wait to share all of those with you. Let me know if you guessed correctly on embellishments. Give this video a thumbs up and maybe even a heart if you super loved it, and I would appreciate that. Of course, don't forget to come back next week. You'll get those notifications if you hit subscribe or follow, and then you won't miss out on any more of my amazing content. I hope you guys all have a wonderful week. Leave me a comment down below what you think number 11 is going to be. Let's see where, 11 is tall and skinny. Interesting. What do you think it's going to be? I'll see you next week.